Hey, it's August 17th. It's about 11:30 in the morning, 2013. This is Camarillo. This is Minibike Paul's shop over here in this side here, and we're just sitting around. I figured I'd do another little video and show the bikes a little closer maybe. Anyway, this is Mac from oldminibikes.com, OMB, and here's the mini goat here. This is George 3's mini goat. Well done. Pretty nice. I get my shadow out of the way here. The Greyhound engine. Front brakes. Beautiful bike. Then we got Taco Bill's Taco 33 here. He says he bought it from me. I know it never looked that good before. One of Taco Bill's bikes also.
If you didn't know what you were looking at, you'd never know. Well, you need the
There you go, oldminibikes.com.
Yeah. That's the heavy part.
It's got the drum brake on the jack shaft there, the band brake.
How much does the bike weigh? It's pretty heavy. Probably 40.
Taco Bill's newest acquisition, Taco 55. And of course we all know the Powell limo here. I never noticed that little spark plug cover there. Huh. Amazing. I think that's guardrail Dave's. Nice the way the exhaust blows out the front. Yeah. Keep you warm on a cold day. George's little Nova. There's a Nova knob on there.
It's the original tank. It's mounted different.
It has the old Honda engine on it.
Numbers underneath that side cover by the shifter. I haven't touched that. Bought it and parked it. You know.
Weird little exhaust system going back in there.
My engine says Honda on it.
There's George and Taco Bill looking at his little Nova. Simplex again.
Say Honda on it? No. Well, what had the same carburetor? Check it out. It's overhead valve. Look at that.
Little Z50. Troy Cartoni's. Beautiful little bike.
Yeah, that's what you need.
This I think is Troy Cartoni's also. Beautiful Powell. I would imagine this is Guardrail Dave's, but I'm not positive. Anyway, we got the other couple bikes sitting over in here. Standard bikes. I think one of them is Evil Ed's over here. This is Minibike Paul's little sidecar bike again. And this is Evil Ed's over here. I don't know whose that is, but it's beauty. Got the barbecue going, getting ready to do some eating. Making up the lettuce there. James C. working on his little bike over there. The Hodaka bike. It's a fuel in it. Anyway, we're just looking at the bikes. We haven't really done any real riding yet. Just basically talking. And that's gonna be about it. Beautiful sky out today. I don't see any clouds anywhere in the sky out there. Even straight above me. It's just nice. Beautiful day. The car's going by down at the end of the road. And check out my other videos.